As we age, staying mobile and independent becomes more important than ever. But let's be honest, getting around safely can get tricky, especially when you need extra support. That's where seated rollator walkers come in. These aren't just regular walkers, they offer stability, ease of movement, and a comfy place to rest when needed. With so many options out there, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We've researched the best seated rollators to help you find the perfect match for your needs. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out for more details or to grab the one that suits you best. Let's dive in. First up, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Foldable Rollator Walker. This one is a head turner, not just because of its sleek design, but because it's lightweight, super easy to fold, and has large 10-inch front wheels that make maneuvering over different surfaces a breeze. The seat is cushioned and the backrest provides great support for those moments when you need a break. My neighbor Joe swears by this rollator because he can fold it with just one hand, toss it in his car, and head to the park without a hassle. One question a lot of people have is whether it works well on rough sidewalks. The answer? Absolutely. The large wheels handle uneven pavement much better than smaller ones. If you want something stylish, comfortable, and easy to transport, this is a fantastic choice. Next, we have the Medline Steel Rollator Walker, a rock-solid option that's perfect for those who want extra stability. It has a sturdy steel frame, a well-padded seat, and a simple, reliable braking system. A lot of seniors appreciate this one for indoor use because it rolls smoothly over hardwood and tile floors. My grandmother used this for years, and she loved how secure it felt. But keep in mind, it's a bit heavier than aluminum models, so lifting it into a car trunk might require some effort. If stability is your top priority and you don't mind a little extra weight, this is a great pick. Now, let's talk about the Planetwalk Premium 3-Wheel Rollator Walker. Unlike traditional 4-wheel models, this one has a slim 3-wheel design that makes it incredibly easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It's lightweight, folds quickly, and is perfect for navigating crowded stores or narrow hallways. One thing to note, there's no seat on this one, so it's best for those who need balance support rather than a place to rest. My friend's father, who loves going to the farmer's market, says this rollator is a lifesaver because he can zip through crowded areas without bumping into people. If you want something compact and easy to steer, this is a great option. Moving on to the Homland Foldable Rollator Walker. This model offers a great balance between stability and portability. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip and the seat is well padded for longer resting periods. It also folds down compactly, making it easy to store or transport. A common concern is weight capacity. This rollator supports up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. One of my dad's friends, who has arthritis, found the handles really comfortable compared to other models, and he loved that it didn't take up too much space in his home. If you need a strong yet compact rollator, this one's a solid choice. Next up, the Vocic Z21 Foldable Rollator Walker, a fantastic lightweight option with an adjustable seat height and an easy-to-use braking system. It's quick to fold and doesn't take up much room, making it ideal for travel. One thing people often ask is whether it's easy to assemble. Good news, it comes mostly pre-assembled, so setting it up takes just a few minutes. One user mentioned that while it's very sturdy, they wish the seat was a little wider. If you need an affordable rollator that's easy to handle, this one is definitely worth considering. For those who struggle with back pain, the Elenker Upright Rollator Walker is a game changer. Unlike traditional rollators, this one keeps you standing upright rather than hunched over. It has padded armrests and adjustable handles that help reduce strain on your back and shoulders. My aunt recently switched to this model, and she says it made a huge difference in her posture. A lot of people wonder if it's harder to maneuver than a regular rollator. It does take some getting used to, but once you adjust, it actually feels more natural. If back pain is an issue for you, this could be a great solution. Now, let's check out the Walkmate 3-Wheel Rollator Walker. Another 3-wheel option, this one is perfect for those who need something lightweight and easy to turn. It folds flat for storage and has a handy pouch for carrying small items. One thing I've heard from users is that even though it only has 3 wheels, it still feels very stable. The front wheel swivels smoothly, making tight turns effortless, which is great for navigating crowded places like restaurants or shopping aisles. Some people worry about balance with a 3-wheel design, but many seniors say they actually feel more agile using this model than bulkier 4-wheel options. If you don't need a seat and just want something super nimble, this is a fantastic choice. The Maxwalk MW2402 is another well-rounded rollator that works well both indoors and outdoors. It has a sturdy frame, a comfortable seat, and folds easily for storage. One question people often have is whether the wheels are good for rough terrain. They are. While it's not meant for hiking trails, it handles sidewalks and slightly uneven surfaces very well. The padded backrest provides extra comfort during longer resting periods, making it ideal for those who need frequent breaks. Users also appreciate the easy-to-adjust handle height, which ensures a better posture and reduces strain on the wrists. If you're looking for a dependable rollator that can go almost anywhere, this one's a winner. Last but not least, the Drive Medical 10257 BL-1, one of the most trusted rollators out there. It features a strong frame, a well-padded seat, and a simple braking system that ensures safety. I actually tested this one myself, and I was impressed by how stable and comfortable it felt. A common question is how easy it is to fold. It does require both hands, but it folds up neatly for storage or transport. The underseat storage pouch is also a nice touch, offering a secure spot to keep essentials like a phone, wallet, or small groceries. Another great feature is its smooth rolling wheels, which make movement feel effortless even for those with limited strength. If you want a tried-and-true rollator that checks all the boxes, this is a fantastic option. So, how do you choose the right one? If style and ease of use are important, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint is a top pick. If you want a budget-friendly but rock-solid choice, go for the Medline Steel Rollator Walker. If you need something compact and nimble, the Planetwalk Premium 3-wheel or Walkmate 3-wheel models are fantastic. If posture and comfort are your main concerns, the Elenker Upright Rollator Walker is the way to go. And if you just want a classic, reliable rollator, the Drive Medical 10257 BL-1 won't disappoint. Think about what matters most to you. Do you need extra stability, a rollator that fits in small spaces, or one that helps with posture? If you travel a lot, a lightweight, foldable model might be best. If you have arthritis, comfortable handles can make a big difference. And if you plan to use it outdoors, make sure the wheels can handle different terrains. Whatever your needs, one of these rollators will fit the bill. All the links are in the description below, so check them out for more details or to pick the one that's right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful. Stay safe, stay mobile, and we'll see you in the next one.